poppin' on a Tuesday. We can get it poppin' on a Tuesday. I'm sucking on her neck, she be like, ooh, babe. Tell me your flavor, I give you a taste. I come with some dick, I don't come with a ring. One taste of this love, I'ma drive you insane. Gotta shoot my shot, I'ma
What's up, y'all? It's your girl KK the Don, and I'm back with another video. So today we're doing tonight we're doing fireworks, and I want y'all to see. And yeah, so I'm gonna get to y'all. Y'all can't see me because it's dark outside. So hold on. I put my brightness up. Park. We're at the park, and my cousin just went to the house and got more fireworks. It is smoky out here. It is so smoky. Me and my cousin is vlogging for the night, so yeah, y'all can tell out the titles. How you fall? Can I see your flash? Want me to hold your camera?
Dude can't get on. Hold on, wait. Dude, come on, why?
Let me hold your phone, your camera. It's gonna be on. We're at this park. My cousin said, stay right here. I'll be back with some more fireworks. And I'm gonna get to y'all when he come back here. My cousin is down there. He's about to the court to her. Wait, Tanaya. They got the big fireworks. Oh my god. He got this big fireworks, and he's doing them in the court. Dude, get out the way. He's about to do them right here. All my cousins are out here. No. Alright, don't mind that. That was just blooper. So we have to back up, he said, because they get dangerous. Y'all about to see he about to light them.
Ouch, EJ. That was even me.
Yes, it was you. Stop doing stuff, EJ.
I didn't even do it.
Y'all see that? Yeah, it's smoking.
Yeah, the other one.
The other one's smoking.
This is still smoking. You did that shit like 2 minutes ago.
Stop cussing on my YouTube channel.
YouTube channel.
Oh.
Look, that girl about to go higher than you.
Where's Swag gonna fly?
This shit is.
So y'all, these fireworks are loud. And oh my god, it won't stop. Oh! Ow, my head!
You didn't hit me with one.
It hit me on my head. It hurt. It hit me on my head or something. Something hit me on my head. That hurt. It won't stop. Oh my god! When is it going to stop? It didn't stop yet. This thing been going for 2 minutes. Oh, I'm done. It still ain't go off. It might not be done. Oh, it's done finally.
It was like 80.
And so that was it for the fireworks, and that's
$80.
it's smoking. But yeah, that was a little quick short video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button, and peace.